Wise up, you, myself, wise up, you. A scammer, you want me to turn? Me not take that to the world. Me not gonna use no digi, nor no line to commit no fraudulent crime. Wise up, you, myself, wise up, you.
It's better to learn the maths so you can get a good grade on your GSAT.
It's better to learn the communication tasks so it won't cause an alarm when someone you have to ask to fill out a simple form.
So guess what? Everybody read this to me now. Lottery scamming. Stop it before it stops you. Don't start.
This is really an intervention or an approach, a proactive approach that we are using to curb lottery scamming through social development. Because if we can get children to understand that lottery scamming is wrong and that it is a crime, right, then we will be starting a change.
Wise up, you, myself, wise up, you.
My girl, don't be a phone confederate. That's not what it means to be literate. Use their knowledge, use their mind for the betterment of mankind.
All of this is coming from my heart. So use education to play your part.
Get a good education. Stop lotto scamming before it stops you.
I want to ask you something this morning. Tell me, who wants to be scammed? Anybody here want to be scammed? No. That means you know what scamming is? Oh, you all know what scamming is? All right. Scamming is what? Tell me. It is stealing. You believe that? Of course, because it's not yours, and you call somebody, you know what they do in the scam? You call and you tell somebody that they win something. You know about that? When they didn't win anything, and you trick them and then you get them to send their money. It's not yours, so it is. It is stealing, and it is a trick, and it is pretending.
We know one, a lot of scamming, yeah. Learn up your maths and every little thing. Learn how to spell and they are reading. Pay attention when teacher teaching. Run go to school before the bell ring. We know one, a lot of scamming, yeah.
We are going to be targeting also the high schools and the community colleges. And we are also going to be targeting the parent-teachers associations, the parent-teachers meeting, because we have to spread the message. Lottery scamming is wrong. It's a crime.
How can we prevent scamming?
By not tricking people.
Oh, give it up for him. Give it up. Come on, give it up for him. Such a brilliant young man. We have one more question. I'm going to ask you to give a statement. If you should say something to the scammers in Montego Bay, what would you say?
They should not scam because it will make them go to jail.
I think it is the way forward, not only for our school community, but also for the nation.
I believe that the MOCA team is doing a good job, and I would just like to encourage them to continue to go into more schools, as lottery scamming must be stopped, and it begins with the younger generation.
We know one, a lot of scamming, yeah.
If you want to be something that you see and who do him running, put on the phone, don't call for him. When the law catch you, ding-a-ling-a-ling. Use up your hand and do the right thing. When result come,
We know one, a lot of scamming, yeah. We know one, a lot of scamming, yeah. We know one.